Assalamualaikum Chatoray party.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today we are making another children's favorite recipe,
Chicken popcorn.
so let's chatpat into it. To make our chicken popcorns, we will need half kg chicken, red chili, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, garlic powder and 1 egg.
Let's start. First, we will marinate the chicken by adding salt, black pepper, red chili, lemon juice. Now, garlic powder. Slightly beat the egg. Add into the chicken. Ahmad, can you mix this all?
Yes, why not? Okay, let's do this gently. There you go.
For chicken coating, we need flour, cornflour, salt, chili, garlic powder.
For the coating of the chicken, we will first add white flour, then corn flour, then salt, red chili, and garlic powder. Now mix it well. We will do 2 rounds of coating. So in the first one, we will place the chicken in the flour mixture one by one and make sure that all the sides of the chicken are covered in the mixture. Now we're going to place it in a plate, and now we will coat the rest of them. For the second coating, we will need to dip it in ice cold water. Dip them one by one into the cold water and then back into the flour mixture. Make sure all the sides are covered in the mixture. Coated chicken is ready. Now we will deep fry this. Here it is, crispy, crunchy chicken popcorns.
Well, I didn't think it would turn out so good. But wow, that is looking amazing.
But it's not the looks that matters. It's how tasty it is inside. So let's taste it. Ooh, this is looking nice.
It is very crispy and crunchy.
Delicious and really juicy from inside.
Sorry guys, we don't have a lot of time to talk. We have some tummy filling business to do.
So please hit the like button, subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified on our new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.